This full glam makeup and this hair just took me 30 minutes. Let me show you how I did it. इस टाइम पे बस मैंने अपना फेस वॉश कर रखा है. मैंने अभी तक कुछ अप्लाई नहीं करा है. सो फर्स्ट वील स्टार्ट विद द स्किन प्रेप. सो फॉर स्किन प्रेप ज़्यादा नहीं करना है. आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग माई मॉइस्चराइजर. सो आई यूज़ दिस सेटाफिल मॉइस्चराइज़र. इट्स गुड फॉर ऑयली स्किन. तो अपनी स्किन टाइप के हिसाब से मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ करें. सो आफ्टर मॉइस्चराइज़र आई एम अप्लाइंग दिस सनस्क्रीन अगेन फ्रॉम सेटाफिल. रात हो सुबह हो जब भी हो सनस्क्रीन अप्लाई करनी चाहिए. जस्ट गो फॉर सनस्क्रीन विद SPF 50 बिकॉज इससे कम में तो नहीं होने वाला कुछ. हाउ वील डू लिप केयर. आई एम यूजिंग दिस लीनियज लिप मास्क. तो जब तक मेरा मेकअप होगा तब तक मेरे लिप्स भी मॉइस्चराइज हो जाएंगे. लास्ट स्टेप इन आवर स्किन प्रेप. आई एम यूजिंग Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Primer. I'm going to start with these two eyeshadow palettes. So first of all, we'll do our base, like eye base. This one is Mars eyeshadow palette. I'm using this eyeshadow brush. I'm going with these two shades as my base. Tapping off extra. And then I'm applying in a circular motion. Now I am taking a shade darker. I'm taking this shade and then I'm applying it on the outer side of my eyes. If you can see the difference, this one is more defined. Now I'll repeat this on the other eye as well. I'm using the blending brush to blend it all out. This one is the blending brush. Now I'm using Maybelline palette and this is the shade I'm going for. Putting it in the brush to add some glitter. Gently blending it. I feel that I should not use blending brush but the eyeshadow blush because of blending brush से already blend होता जा रहा है instead of just popping it out. So again we'll use this normal eyeshadow blush. Now I'm going to remove that eyeshadow जो मेरे यहाँ गिर गया है. See? Now I'm going to start with these two color correctors. This one for my pimples and this one for my dark circles or blemishes or pigmentation and everything. I'm going to apply here, 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 little bit here and here. And this was ELF's color corrector, green color corrector. And then I am going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal in shade Peach. I'm going to first of all color correct my eyes. My pigmented area, little bit here. Yeah, that's it. Don't do this. Just tap it gently. Now we'll start with the foundation. And for the foundation, I use Maybelline's Matte Poreless Foundation. The shade is 128. So we'll not apply directly here. मुझे लगता है सब लोगों को पता ही होगा. We just use it on the back side of our hand. We'll use the foundation brush. It looks like this. And we'll just tap it out. Don't forget your neck, guys. The base is done. So we'll start with the blush first. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline matte blush in the shade Rose Burst. I'm applying it on my cheekbones. Little bit on my chin. And then I'll be using this blush brush. Gently tap it. It might look too much but when I'll apply concealer ये सब settle down हो जाएगा. And I'm using L'Oreal Full Coverage Concealer in shade Vanilla.
Little bit here, then here, here, here. See.
So that's my concealer placement. I may look like a joker but wait till the end. I'm using my concealer brush. It's like this plain flat surface. So I'm using Inside Translucent Powder. Taking the powder, tapping it on the back of my hand.
Applying it on my face.
So basically I am setting my base on the T-zone जो मेरा ज़्यादा oily रहता है. Now comes our eye makeup again जो नीचे का part रह गया था. We are going to complete that. I am going for bold kajal look, just trust the process. Again, I'm using inside kajal. So I'm using this very patla sa brush to just smudge my kajal. I know I'm taking a huge risk, but what else we got?
A few moments later.
I have smudged it. I think you can see. Again, taking this. Okay, now we are getting somewhere. So after this, it's mascara time. For mascara, I am using Maybelline Bubble Mascara and this curler. To be honest, I love this mascara. It's just that it's too clumpy. Like, spoiler, it's clumpy, but it gives you good length and good volume. Now you are seeing a lot of clumps here. I'm using this clump stick. I guess now it's better. जो lashes चिपक भी गई थी एक दूसरे के साथ साथ वो भी निकल चुकी है. I know the mascara is very clumpy, but just see the difference. Can you imagine? Like, wow. I'm just loving it. The clumps are removed. So my eye makeup is finally done and I'm just finishing it off with this kajal again. हमने जो lip mask लगाया था, now it's time to remove it. Okay, so पहले मैं change कर लेती हूँ, then just apply lipstick तो और अच्छी look आएगी. And this is how it looks. I don't know if you all can see it properly, but this is the peplum kind of silhouette and I'm wearing sharara. I'll just show you my outfit after the makeup. Let's just do our lip combo. We are using these two products for our lip combo. Lip liner is from Inside Cosmetics and the shade is Turquoise Rose, and the lipstick is from Maybelline. The shade is Soft Satin. So the lip liner is on. Now it's time for the lipstick. So this is the new launch of Maybelline and I swear this is non-sponsored video, but I just love Maybelline products. So if Maybelline you're watching this, it's time that we do a collaboration together because I'm a very loyal customer. And the lipstick is also on. My makeup is done. Everything feels so smooth and flawless. That's how you do it. Now it's time for my hair. उसके लिए go watch part 2. Always start with your makeup first and then your hair because जितने में आप hair करोगे उतने में आपका makeup सारा settle down हो जाएगा. तब तक के लिए like, share and subscribe. See you all in the next video.